Hello and welcome back, students, with one another problem of the orthographic projection, in which we have to draw the front view along x direction, the plan, that is the top view, and the side view using the first angle projection method. Here it is given that we have to draw the side view, so we can select any of the side view, whether it will be a right hand side view or left hand side view. Here we will draw the right hand side view of the object. So we will draw the front view along x direction, right hand side view, and top view of the object. So first and basic thing is we have to position the view with reference to xy and x1 y1 line. Here we are using the first angle projection method. So front view, top view will be below the front view, and right hand side view will be in the left hand side of the front view. Now the second thing is we have to define the length, width and height of the object. In each and every problem we have assumed that the object is casted in the cuboid. So here we will also assume that the object is casted in the cuboid. So we have to define the length, width and height of the cuboid. It will be the length, width and height of the object also. So the length of the cuboid is 75 mm, width is 52 mm, and height is 40 plus 9, it is 49 mm. So the length is 75, width is 52, and height is 40 plus 9, it is 49. Now the third thing is we have to draw the front view, the top view, that is plan, and the right hand side view of the cuboid. So the front view will be a rectangle having length 70, height 49. So draw the rectangle here having length 75, height 49. Then after top view will be a rectangle having length 75, width 52. So length is projected from the front view and width will be 52. So this will be the top view and right hand side view of the cuboid. So the right hand side view of the cuboid will be a rectangle having length 52, height 49. So length will be projected from the top view, 52 like this, and 49 is the height of the object, which will be projected from the front view like this. So these are the front view, top view and left hand side view of the cuboid. Now starting from the front view of the object, observing from the x direction, we will clearly observe this face of this circular part, this part, the part of this base, and this face of the inclined supporting part of the object. So starting from the circle in the front view, here the object is symmetric about y and x axis. So these are the centers of the object. Measuring from this edge, the center of the object will be at 37.5 mm. So first of all define the center of the object, which will be the center of the circle also. Over here this is 75, then center will be at 37.5 mm, and this is the center of the object and the center of these two circles also. Starting from the circles, the radius of this circle is 16 mm. Measure 16 mm on the rounder and draw that part of the circle. Radius of the another circle is 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8, it is 24. So measure 24 mm on the rounder and draw another circle. Now draw this part and this part. The width of this part is 9 mm and this part is also 9 mm. So measure 9 mm, distance over here 9 mm, and draw the base part. Now this edge, now this part. The width of this part, this is known as rib, is 9 mm. So measure 4.5 mm on both sides of the center. The width of this part is 9 mm. Now this supporting part over here, from this point to this point, the edge of the supporting part, this on the right hand side also. So this will be the front view of the object. Now top view, we can observe the top view from the top direction. If we are observing it from the top direction, we will observe this face, this rectangular face, this rectangular face, this part of the object, and this curvature of the circle is observed as a rectangle in the top view over here. So first of all, draw the top view, take the projections from the front view, projection of the circles, one, two, three, four. So we can observe that this part is projected from the front view and the part of the circle is also projected from the front view. So this will be the front view of the circular part. Sorry, this will be the top view of the circular part. This curve is projected over here and this curve will be projected over here. This curve is projected over here in between these two edges, this edge and this edge over here. Now the top view of the supporting part. To draw the or to understand the top view of the supporting part, we will draw the box over here. So now we can observe in the box that the top view of this joining part is projected over here as a rectangle over here at the center. The center is marked over here and the width of this joining part is 8 mm. So measure 8 mm over here, 4 mm from the center, 4 mm from the center on both sides. But now we can observe that this edge is up to this point and if we are removing the circle, if we will remove the circle, the supporting part will be in the bottom of the circle, which is not observed. So the edge of that supporting part is going to be hidden throughout the part of the circle over here, like this. Because it is a supporting part and it supports the circle from the bottom. To understand this part, assume that the part of the circle is not here. So we can imagine that this edge is up to back side of the circle also. So it is going to be hidden in the top view. Same for this rib part. It is from this side to the back side. So it is also going to be hidden in the top view. First of all, take the projection of the rib from the front view and draw the part of the rib as a hidden line. Over here. But it is up to the supporting part only. It is not crossing the supporting part. So this will be the hidden outline of the rib, this part. Now the outline of the part is a visible outline. So draw the visible outline of the base, this base. So this will be the top view of the object. Now comes on the right hand side view. So observing from the right hand side view, we will observe this part, the surface of this joining part or supporting part over here as a rectangle. This part, the part of the circle. Starting from this part in the right hand side view, it will be a rectangle having length 52 and height 9 mm. So first of all, project this part from the front view, and draw the outline of the object, or draw the outline of this part. It is a rectangle. Now the joining part or supporting part will be a rectangle, as we have drawn the box over here. So we can easily understand that this inclined surface of the object or of the joining part is projected over here as a rectangle. The width is 8 mm, which is projected from the top view like this, over here like this. Now part of the circle. So first of all, project the part of the circle or the circles from the front view. 1, 2. So draw the part of the circle now. It is also observed as a rectangle in the right hand side view, but from observing from the right hand side view, the surface of this inner circle is not going to be visible, so it is going to be hidden. Projecting it from the front view, over here it will be hidden line, and this part on both sides, this side and this side, this will be the right hand side view of the object. Now comes on the dimensions of the object. We have to give the dimension in each and every view. So now here we have shown all the required dimensions of the views. Here we have used the align system of dimensioning, in which we have to place the dimensions above the line at the center, above the line at the center, which can be read from the bottom and right hand side of the drawing. So this is all about the front view, top view and right hand side view of the given object. Thank you.